Oh, it's good now. Hey, it's working. Yes. Ça va faire Gérald. Ah, regarde Gérald, monsieur. Ok, ça va faire people. À swear, nous pral chercher numéro cap sorti dans Mega Million 1. Comme, moi pral faire là, moi déjà mette tout bas sur tableau là déjà. So, all you gotta do, guys, when I'm done, you can tell me which number to pick or pick your own numbers. Okay, people? So, stay tuned. Now, on the first, what I do first, I multiply the power play by all the number that came out. And you can do that also for the Mega Million and Powerball. So what I did, I used the power play and then I multiply it by all the numbers. When I'm done multiply all of them by the numbers, and then the result they gave me, each numbers I use a frequency table. A frequency table, let me explain for some people. A frequency table is something that can show you how many times and how a number come out. For example, if you got, let's say, you put on the number, for example, you got ones, right? So what you do, you count how many ones do you have on that set of numbers. So the when you finish count each ones, and then you go here, you put how many ones do you have. Okay? So after that, but to do it better, you start from 0 to 1 to 9. Okay? 0, 1, 9 to 9. So that's how to do it. And the next step is when you do the value, the frequency table comes two ways. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration for people who's watching on Facebook. Okay, that's the V stand for value. Value. V stand for value, frequency, and sound, and sum. Okay, so that's how it go. Okay, that's how the formula go. You put V and F for frequency and S for sum. So that's what I did over here. I put VFS. So what I did when I finish multiply all the numbers, I go over here and start from 0. So now I got 1 0 on this line. So what I do, I just said, well, I put 0 on the value because the value is 0, and then I got how many ones? How many zero? I got 1 0. So I put 0 on the frequency. Okay? So now we're looking for 2 because we did one already. So now we said, how many 2 do we have? We check, check, check. We got 3 2s. So we go over here on the frequency line next to 2s, you put 3. And then, and see this 3, 4, 3, 9, all the numbers on the value, that's how you do it. And then when you don't do that, you look on the value to see what number that's missing, right? You look to see if any number is missing on the value because the value, the number is supposed to be 1 to 9. Okay? It's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So it have to be in order like that. So for example, here on this table we have right now 5 is missing. Okay, let's say 5 is missing. I think I'm gonna take 5 away. 5 is missing on that line, and then next, no, 9 is missing on that line. So that means the table is not complete because 5 is missing, and then the line is not complete because 5 is missing, and then 9 is missing. So how you gonna find that numbers? So every time you look the value, you look at the value, and then you see a number that's missing, that number that's missing is most likely the number that's gonna vibrate everything. Gonna everywhere that you see that numbers, you can match it with the closest number you can. But one thing I do to verify if you got the right number, I do right here. I got a method that right here, I call it gold mine method. What how I use that method is like when I finish multiply all the numbers, right? When I finish multiply all the numbers, so I go over here, the result, all the result. I put the first result was 28 because 4 times 7 is 28. Now the next one, 18 times, sorry, 14 times 18, 4 times 18 is 72. 4 times 21 is 84. 4 times 31 is 124, right? And then 4 times 40 is 160. 160. 4 times 9 is 36. So what I do, I go on each side, I add 1 to 6. Okay? For example, on the right side, I put 6 on top. Okay? That means it's press side. Every time you see 6 on top, that means it's a press side. If you see 6 on the bottom on this side, that means it's a negative side. So what I mean by that, for example, if you see on the left side, you see 41, believe that it's not 41, it's 14. Okay? It's the reverse number because the right side is positive, the left side is negative. So when you see 14, when you see 41, you know it's 14. When you see 14 on the left side, you know it's 41. So that's how I look at it. Okay? So what I did, I put 1 to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I go on this side, I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when I do that, that I can compare, I can compare. Mwen ka kompare numéro que mwen jwen nan tableau an ki relativement semble or look like the same number en bon créole. En bon créole. How, what the proverbe dit encore? J'ai regardé dem non. Comment proverbe la dit encore en bon créole? Whatever. But let's go. En bon créole, m'te ka di pour vérifier. Okay. Well, do I say for example? For example, if you got a kid, right? The baby mother said, "Hey, that's your kid. That's your kid. That's my kid." I said, "What? That's not my kid." Oh no, yes. She said, "Yeah, that's your kid." So what you gonna do? You're gonna do the DNA test, right? If you're not sure if it's yours. So that's what I do over here. I act like it's a DNA test. That's gonna show me that's my kid. So that's the same thing. I use this table, this formula right here, go my technique to verify the number that I see here. Tonight, we're gonna try to look at the board with a different way, in a different way, okay? Because they said sometimes when you look at something, it may not mean what you see. What I mean by that is, okay, they got a quote said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So that gives me a lot to think about. Okay, that gives me a lot to think about. Last night I was reading a book, and then I jump on that quote, and then I said, well, maybe I need to change the way I look at those numbers. Okay, maybe I need to get a different approach. Maybe I need to do something different in order for me to pick the right number because I always find those numbers, but I never win. But I feel good about it because I love what I'm doing. And then the most important things, I can be a millionaire any day. You too. If you follow this method, you can be a millionaire any day. So nothing gonna hurt to try to be a rich man. Okay? Nothing. So use your brain, use your mind. So get your number, people. I'm gonna get mine right now. Okay, let's go. This is the same thing that's over here. So I'm gonna erase one. It just was a little demonstration. Okay, now we're gonna see how we're gonna get those numbers.
Again, I told you to wait till you did this.
72. Yes, I did 14-1, 18-1, 72. Okay, so now let's do the table real quick. I need to write this number somewhere so I don't forget it. 36.
200.
V F S. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what we do, we start from zero. Like I said before, we start from zero. We're looking for zero. We got only one zero. We got only one zero. We put zero right here and then one. We said how many ones we have? One, two. We got two ones. Two ones. Now how many twos? I'm gonna do it real quick. 1, 2, 3. We got three twos. We got three twos. I think your battery, some. Okay, we got three twos. So now three. How many threes? One. We got one. How many fours? How many fours? We got one, two. Two fours. Two fours. How many fives? We don't have no five. Five is missing. How many six? We're gonna go for six. We got one six. How many seven? We got 1 7, 1 7, 1 7, 1 7. Yes, we got 1 7. Now how many eight? We got how many eights? One, two. We got two eights. So nine is missing on this line. Nine is missing. So we're gonna find nine. We're gonna have to build another one. So I'm gonna erase that because I don't need it no more. So you get that done, you don't need that number no more because it's right here. Okay? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply all the frequency by the value. So let's do this. 0, 2, 6, 3, 3 fois 1. No, une fois 3, 3. Une fois 4, 8, 6, 7, 16. So when we finish doing that, what we do, we finish now the next step is to add all of them separately. Line. We're gonna add them separately, each one. The value, the sums, the frequency, and everything. We're gonna line up. Okay? So because that number that's gonna go down here gonna be very helpful. Après de nous remplir. So let's start. We got 8, that's 15, 21, 25, 8, 15, 15, 21, 25, 28, 28, 28, 30, 31. The value is 31. Okay? Now the next one. What is this? Okay. The next one. 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 6. I say 6. 2, 3, 4. That's 6. That's 7. That's 10. And that's 12. That's 13. You see? Let me do it again because I'm not sure. Because how can I find the number twice? If you find the number twice, something is really happening. Okay? Let's try again. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13. Yep. Now, at the bottom, the value is 31. The frequency is 13. The frequency is 13, right, people? So now let's go for the sum, because like I said, each one of those is gonna be very helpful, because we don't forget we got something here to verify any numbers that we're looking for. So that being said, let's do the next one. 16 press 7, that give me 23. 23 press 6, that give me 29. 29 press 8, that give me 37. 37 press 3, that give me 40. 40 press 6, that give me 46. 40 press 2, that give me 48. Okay, that give me 48. So now that's the table. That's the table right here. It's kind of close to the next one, but 36. That's the table. Now we're gonna go for the next one. I don't know, I think y'all cannot see, but let me see if I can bring the camera much closer. Do you have a better view now? Do you have a better view now, people? Cyrus, let me know, okay? I think you got a better view. The camera probably was too far. Okay, now we're gonna do the next one. The next table, which gonna be very helpful in this situation. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Really, you need 9 square backs. You need 9 square backs line to put all the numbers. And because the first thing you're gonna have to start is the value. So now let's do the same thing. The same thing we did from the start after we multiply all the numbers came out by the power play. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start from 0, the lowest number. We start from 0. We said how many 0 do we have? Let me take another color. I said how many 0 do we have? We start from 0. We got 1 here, 2 here, 2 zeros, right? Now we're looking for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 ones. So we got 7 ones. Now we look for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 twos. Now we look for 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3. Now we look for 4. 1, 2. 2 fours. Now 5. If we have it, wait, it look like the first one give me a different number because we are doing the same thing. Okay, we don't have no 5 yet. We don't have 5. So we're gonna skip 5. We go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7 now. 1, 2. We got 2, 7. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 8. Now we don't have 9. We still don't have 9, and 5 still missing. 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 How many? So if 5 is still missing, when it come out, how 5 gonna come out? That's how you gotta think. How 5 gonna come out when you find 5, right? So now we're gonna do the same thing we did over there. We multiply 0, 7, 8, 12, 8, 24, 14, is 16, 16, 24. Okay. Okay. So now we can do the same thing again. And this time we might not need to do another table. We just can go straight and then pick your numbers. Oh, my lights go on that thing. I'm sorry. Yeah. So it's very nice. Like, what I keep doing this is because every time I see I doing it, I always find numbers. But the thing that stopped me from winning is because I never make the good choice. Sometimes I pick 3, 4 numbers, but I never make the whole 6 choice because I need 6 numbers, like the whole set, to win the jackpot. And they're always here. That's how I keep me going. So let's do this. Again, we're gonna count. Okay. Now 8, press 7, 15, press 6, 21, press 4, press 3, press 2, press 1. Still give me 31 because 5 still missing, 9 still missing. I think I did something. I missed 1. 31. Okay, I missed 1. So I think 1's gonna be 18 because I think I left 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said, 18. I missed 1. Okay, now let's do this one. 5, 9, 11, 15, 19.
I was right there.
And I said 19 plus 8. 19 plus, sorry, 19 plus 8. 27, 29. Please give me 29. Now 24, 24.
Meet me right here.
24, press 14, press 24, press 8, press 12, press 8, press 7, equal 97. So that's the result, is 97. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to pick numbers, okay? We're gonna try to pick the numbers. For example, over here on that verification table, we have 12. I'm gonna read all to you guys so you all can see. I got 12, 68, well, 86. You cannot play more than 69 or no. Mega Million, you have to play 1 to 70 and then 1 to 26 on the red board. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna line up everything the same way I did that so we can really. I mess up.
Right.
Yes, I do mess up on this
Yeah.
line.
Right.
Okay, so what we're gonna do here. Okay, that's the number that we have to verify on, right? So to do that, we're gonna have to match numbers to see what number do we have. 20, 28, 28, 72. Yeah, this was 72. 28, 72, 84, 124, 160, and 36. Okay, so we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's verify. We're not gonna use this one. We're gonna use this one. Okay. And bring you close to the shoot. I forgot if I'm doing a video on YouTube too. Okay. Let's see how we can match our numbers. Okay. Don't forget, the first one we saw is 14. Okay, we see 14. 14, where is it? Okay. No, not 14, it's 18. The first one is 18, right? And look on that note you got on that verification table to see if you see 18. Well, on that verification table, I see 18 right here. Okay? 18 is right here. Now, let's look for the second number that's on the table. Okay? We see to tell you something, people, I got 36 right here, 2 times. And then over here, 36 again. So now, let's see where we're gonna get 36, right here or right there. Don't forget, we still got a number that's missing, and 29 is still missing. I should be able to do another table so I can line up 9. Maybe I can find 5. I probably will do that. The time is almost over anyway. So what I'm gonna do, you just can go pick. I know. I can't even fuck with this Fao. I try, man. Ma pe se longtemps la Fao, man. Ma pe se longtemps. About now. Ma pe se longtemps la player. Est-ce que nous well comme ça? Bien well? Huh? Huh? Oh, I was speaking another language. Yeah. Come on. I was telling my
speaking another language over there on that board because it sounded like it.
Another language, yeah. That's 3 languages right there. That's one language, and that's another language.
So we didn't
Foul, man.
Foul.
Let me tell you something, bro. You know, c'est dans téléphone, c'est quand dans téléphone même à utiliser pour me faire caméra, but vire tourner men chaque ou manger, m'sil pas ka ouais. So, me préfère pas, ça fait me parler plus tout, ça fait me parler plus parce que comme by plus explication parce que yo pas ou pas ka ouais vraiment ça qu'a fait là. So, I'm just doing this for now. Jusqu'à ce que equipment yo vini, camera, light, everything. So they're on the way, you know. So I have to use what I got for now. So yeah. All right. So now I should be off on YouTube right now because what 37 minutes? I'm out. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm gonna finish with you, but I'm gonna close this one. Yeah.
Can you take me to get
Where? Okay. Yeah. Stay tuned. Stay right there and let me close this one. It goes. Yeah. Use the same method I'm using right here at home. You can do it too, so you can get your own number. Okay. So don't forget. If you don't see 9, do another table right here. The same way. Do another table and then check all start from 0 and check all the 0 you got first, and then after that 1, 2, 3 until you get it. Now, when you finish the result, when you multiply by 4, all the result you're gonna have to put them to the side, like I did right here. I put all the multiply tout ça multiplier mettez ensemble. When I find the number that I'm looking for example, I was looking for 36. Right here is 36. You see, it's like right here is 36. So, okay, and 36 again, and 38. Okay, 36.
Nobody.
and 38. So you see? So now, why do we have 6? No, we got 8 and 6 next to each other. 8 and 6 next to each other on this side. Like, give me an inch, like to say that probably will be 67 and 36, 67, 36. And then over here, I got 28. I got 28 over here. 28. Yes, I got 28 right here. You see it? I got 28 right here. And then now we're gonna look for how many numbers do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, 3. It's 3. 36 is there. Now remember, we don't have 9. So what I'm thinking to do, let me see. 31, 3 plus 1 give me 4. That's give me 4. 9, 2 plus 9 give me 11. And 9 plus 7 give me 16, right? So add up. That's 50. That give me 15. Press 16. Okay. 15, 5, 11, 15, 16, 11. Damn it. It still give me 31. It still give me 31. So you see what I'm saying? I add all of them together, it still give me the first number. That means maybe 31 is on the air. And I got 31 right here. You see it? I got 31 right here. But there is a but. There is a big but. Okay? Because when I add this, the first line give me 31. But when I add all together, it still give me 31. So what I'm thinking, 9 is missing, 3 is missing, right? 9 is missing, 3 is missing. No, not 3. 9 and 5. What I was thinking, I can say 5 is missing, right? 5 is missing. So let me see. If I take those two together, that will give me 4. Press 2 is 6. No. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use. Yeah, I know, man. You can see none. But let me explain for you, okay? Let me explain for you. Let me be off on YouTube, and then I'm gonna keep going so I can explain to you. Yeah, people, just doing what I'm saying and what I said, and then you can find your own numbers, and then like that, make that money. Come on, baby girl. Yeah, that's my little princess on this side. You see, that's my little princess on this side. Come on, KKG, and then that's my. They eat so much. Yeah, that's my other one. Okay, so they got a show coming on. So tell them what's gonna come on next Monday.
Monday we're having a show at 8:00 p.m. The Ground Girls, and you better watch it.
Yes, you better watch it. Yeah, Monday at 8 p.m. they have the little show. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they got the little show going on for them on Monday, but only way for them to do the show only if they do the homework, go to bed on time. Now they can do the show. So that's what we're doing. Okay?
At least I got all green on my test.
Yeah. Well, I don't use this stuff for so long. I don't even. I just see that. I said maybe I can add them. Yeah, so yeah, they got a little show going though. I'll phone him and not trip. Not trip. Gotta go and cafe l'argent, yo, man, you know.
What are you saying?
She wanna know what I'm saying.
Yeah, what are you saying?
You can.
Wait, like angry Papa.
Oh shit! I forgot I have to go off on YouTube. Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yeah. So.